Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and let you all know that I am partnering up with Vincent from Our Rustic Life, and we're going to be doing a spring giveaway. We're going to be giving away 4 $25 Visa gift cards. 2 winners will be selected from his channel and 2 winners will be selected from my channel. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to both of our channels, Our Rustic Life and 2 Acres Evolving, and then he is going to have a giveaway video also on his channel. So all you have to do is just go and comment down below his video and then comment down below this video as well. And once you're subscribed and comment down below on both channels, that'll give you 2 entries into the giveaway. And on YouTube, it's 100% free to subscribe. The first day of spring is Sunday, March 20th. So I thought that that would be a really good day to pick the winners. So we will post a video on March 20th announcing the winners of the giveaway. I want to thank Vincent for partnering with me on this giveaway. And thank you all so much for the support and for watching. Good luck in the giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one.